Hello everyone, welcome to my channel tonight. In this video, I'll be discussing with you how you can transform your skills into cash with these tips. Transform your skills into cash with these tips. In today's dynamic world, nearly everyone possesses skills that can be monetized. Whether it's a talent in writing, expertise in graphic design, proficiency with numbers, passion for teaching, or hands-on abilities in craft and repairs. Transforming your skills into cash is all about recognizing your strengths and strategically connecting them with real market needs. Here are effective strategies to help you strategize and get started and also to succeed. Number one is that you have to identify and package your marketable skills. Begin by listing out everything you are good at, from professional qualifications to hobbies that spark joy and creativity. Think beyond normal education. Coding, cooking, language skills, tutoring, digital marketing, crafts, or even organizing events all have value. Package your abilities in a way that's attractive to potential clients. For example, rather than just "I can draw," reframe it as "I create eye-catching custom illustrations for small businesses and personal gifts." Number two, tap into online platforms. The internet is brimming with marketplaces eager for skilled people. Create profiles on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, or local alternatives relevant to your region. These sites allow you to showcase your skills, build a portfolio, and bid for jobs globally. For hands-on skills, list your services on platforms like TaskRabbit, Airtasker, or Facebook Marketplace. Don't forget specialized sites. Teachers can join VipKid or Preply. Writers can try Medium or Vocal, and designers can sell templates on Etsy. Number three, build a personal brand. A strong personal brand sets you apart. Start by creating a professional social media presence on platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, or Facebook. Share content that reflects your expertise, success, and testimonials. A simple website or portfolio, even a free blog, goes a long way in establishing credibility and attracting clients. Consistent branding makes it easier for people to trust and hire you. Number four is that you have to offer solutions, not just services. Clients pay for results, not just time or efforts. Clearly articulate how your skills solve their problems or add value. For example, instead of saying "I teach English," say "I help professionals gain confidence in business English so they can close more deals." Number five, start small and build relationships. Begin with small projects to gain reviews and trust, even if it means charging less initially. Every project completed successfully builds your reputation. Always prioritize quality and client satisfaction. Word of mouth, referrals, and repeat business often follow excellent service. Number six is you need to upskill and diversify. The most successful freelancers keep learning, take online courses, attend workshops, and keep up with trends in your field. Expanding your skill set increases your earning opportunities and allows you to offer bundled or premium services. Number seven is that you have to monetize through content. If you enjoy teaching or sharing your knowledge, like myself, consider creating digital products, write ebooks, build online courses, or start a YouTube channel. These avenues provide passive income over time and establish you as a thought leader in your area of expertise. Number eight, be professional with payments. Always discuss payment terms clearly. Use contracts where possible and keep records of transactions. Use secure payment gateways like PayPal, Payoneer, or direct bank transfers. Being professional ensures smoother transactions and builds client trust. In conclusion, turning your skills into cash isn't just about finding side gigs, it's about developing a sustainable source of income and personal fulfillment. With the right packaging, with the right positioning and perseverance, your unique talent can bring real value to others and boost your finances. Start today and watch your income and watch your skills work for you and watch your income grow. Until I come your way in the next one, my name is Dr. Olubengade Team, and you are on to the Dr. Olubengade Team YouTube channel where I bring you content on how to make money both online and offline. Everything I talk about on this channel is how to make money. So I talk about this because I know you can and you should make this money. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share link on YouTube with family and friends. Ask me any question in the comment section below. And until I come your way in the next one, this video popping up by the side from this channel is the next one you should go ahead and watch now. I will catch you in the next one. Bye bye.